Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with these beautiful napkin rings that I DIY'd for my Father's Day tablescape. If you want to see how I made these beautiful pieces, stick around. Here are the items that you will need for this DIY. You'll need your handy dandy glue gun. You'll also need some scissors, bling wrap, any color of your choice. I have chosen to use purple, and I got this a while back at the Dollarama. You will also need some gems, again, any color of your choice, and the gems are totally optional for this project. You will also need some napkin rings. I'm using in this case the plastic napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. And I will also be using some diamond bling from Totally Dazzled to complete the look. So I've gone ahead and I have measured and pre-cut my bling wrap. And in this case, the measurement I'm using is 21 by 21 because I want the points directly across from each other. And what I'll be doing is adhering it to the napkin ring, just like so, using the hot glue gun. Okay, so I've gone ahead and adhered the napkin ring to the mesh wrap, and now I'll be folding both sides off the mesh wrap just like so, and using again more hot glue to hold it in place. So I do one side first, fold it over, press it in gently, and please be careful, that glue is hot. Holding it in place to make sure it adheres just like so. And then I will do the same thing to the opposite side, pulling it tightly so that there are no gaps around the ring itself and that the bling wrap is securely adhered to the napkin ring. Okay, so this is what it should look like once you have adhered it to the napkin ring. And we could very well leave it like this, but why stop here? Let's add some bling. So I'm using this piece from Totally Dazzled, and I'll just add some hot glue to it and adhere it to the front of the piece. If you do not have anything from Totally Dazzled or anything of this, kind, anything sparkly, go ahead and use the gems from the packet that you're seeing here. Does the same thing. All right, so we added the glue and we're just pressing it in place to make sure that it holds firmly to the piece. And there you go. Looking quite amazing. I really love the way this DIY turned out. We could very well leave it like that again. But of course, I have to go the extra step. I am going to add a tiny, tiny gem from this packet onto the very top just to add that extra bling, that extra punch to kind of just bring that purple up a bit. Again, totally optional, but I already have the gem, so of course I'm going to use it. And I think it looks absolutely great. What do you think? Okay, penny pinchers, so this is how I have styled it. Let me know what you think. I have simply rolled a white napkin and just inserted it in the center of the napkin ring, and I think it's beautiful, very befitting for any tablescape, wedding, parties. Absolutely amazing. And here is another color that I did, the blue one that is on the tablescape, my Father's Day tablescape, with a different style of napkin. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. I absolutely love these pieces. And that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.